Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings, so open General and tap Keyboard now. Once there, locate Autocorrection and Predictive. These are the controls you'll change. Make sure your iPhone is unlocked, and on the latest iOS, updates can move options. If you want immediate change, turn autocorrection off right away and test typing in Notes. You're doing the first actionable step to stop unwanted swaps. Don't skip verifying Predictive too, because it affects suggestions. Once autocorrection is off, you'll notice words no longer change mid-type. This prevents unwanted replacements. Make sure to also switch predictive off if suggestions still interfere, because predictions sometimes auto-insert. If there are specific words your keyboard keeps altering, add them via text replacement. Tap plus, enter the phrase and shortcut, then save. This keeps your common terms intact while letting you keep other helpful features like spell check active. Now test across apps, Messages, Notes, and the Safari address bar to confirm autocorrection stays off. If changes don't apply, restart your iPhone. This flushes caches and applies toggles. If problems persist, reset the keyboard dictionary in Settings General Transfer or Reset iPhone Reset. Know this deletes learned words. One key tip: if specific substitutions still happen, check third-party keyboards or installed apps with text expansion permissions and disable them.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.